Alright guys, so I struggled with getting the fuel cell out, mainly because it was like 3/4 full, so that didn't make it very easy. But let's take a look at it. So not a lot of rust in the fuel cell trunk area. Actually, really not at all. A little bit right there, but that's nothing but surface. Alright, so the next task is going to be taking and grinding away the rust that's in the floor pan. And going to probably do like one of those thick paints. I don't know what the actual name of it is, but paint over that, protect it from rust. I think they call it like a rust encapsulator. Alright, let's get grinding. Alright, so that's all grinded up and cleaned, so let's hit her with some Resto, cover it up, and then let it dry and go to the other side. Alright guys, before you hit up the comment section and say that that's not right, this is only to seal it up so that as the humid days come in and I'm washing other components and etc., it's not gonna rust again. So it's just to protect it. I'm gonna put down like a thicker bed liner type style. I gotta find the right product. I'm working with my painter on that. And then on top of that, I'm going to put sound deadening on top of it. So this is just to protect it from moisture as I'm prepping the rest of the car. So let's move on to something else. I wanted to upgrade and make things easier for producing multiple of them and make it so that they're accurate from one to another,